Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Chimpy and welcome back to another video. Today is a bit different. As you can tell, you can see me. And this isn't normal, but yeah. Today I'm doing a tutorial because as you may have saw in my last video, I'll show it here. Yeah. Yeah, I was using my controller on the iPad version of ROBLOX, because in the new iOS 13 update they made it so that you can now connect Xbox and PS4 controllers via Bluetooth. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay guys, welcome back, and I'm now going to show you how to do this. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to settings, like I am right here. Then you want to go to Bluetooth. And so now, you want to get your PS4 controller, make sure it's turned off and not connected to anything at the moment. Then, what you want to do, I'm going to use one hand for this, you want to hold the PS4 button and the share button here at the same time for a couple seconds. Then this light here will start flashing, so I'm just going to do that. Hold it until it starts flashing. And there you go, it started flashing and it showed up in other devices. So you just want to click on it and it's now connected. The light will now go reddish pink, and now you can use it in games. So I'm gonna go into ROBLOX right now and just show you how to use it, because it doesn't kind of work to start with. You have to do something. So let me just go here and what's a game that won't take long to get onto? I'll just go on to work at a pizza place, because why not? Also, sorry if the quality is terrible and if the screens are weird, because I'm recording on my phone right now. Yeah, because I can't really record using my iPad, because I'm using it. By the way, this does work on iPad too. Not on iPad. It works on phone and iPad. And pretty much any device, I think. I think it works on Android. Not sure. But yeah. So you want to wait for the game to load, which I'm doing now. And once it has loaded, as you can see, it's loading. There we go. Once it is loaded, I'm just gonna get in to the game. Let's just go to on break, start at house. There we go. Here, why am I in this outfit? Oh, money. Okay. Let me just change my outfit, because that's something I would like to do. I mean, or not. I don't need to do that. That's completely fine. But yeah, when you first get into a game, you'll only be able to move your camera and not... Oh, never mind, you can walk. But yeah, in some games, you can't walk at first. If that happens, you want to go down, get this menu up here, then you want to turn off your Bluetooth so that it disconnects, and then turn your Bluetooth back on, and then turn your controller back on. And then once your controller reconnects, oh yes, I would like to update my look. There we go. Whatever. Once your controller reconnects, you should be able to walk, jump, do everything that you would normally be able to do. So, wowzers. I haven't played this game in a while. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that short tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, the usual. Usual, that's the word. Yep. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in my next video. Goodbye.